Let me show you how to finish the hoop back. Let's assume this embroidery is finished. After finishing, how do we finish the fabric? First, take scissors, trim the 4 corners into curves. Pick up one corner, like this, trim it into a curved shape. Be careful not to cut too close to the center. Cut about this far, and that's enough. Trim the other 3 corners to match this curve. Trim them roughly like this. Then take 6 strands of floss, thread the needle, tie a knot on the longer end, flip the hoop over, pick up one corner, bring the needle up from the back and pull. Use running stitch technique. Take the needle through like this. You can make several stitches at once. Pull the thread. When stitching, don't stitch too close to the hoop edge. Keep some distance from the edge. Also, not too close to the outer fabric edge, or it will come apart easily. About this position is good for stitching. Follow the running stitch pattern. Stitch all the way around. Like this. Complete the circle. Hold the hoop at the screw position. Hold the thread with other hand, gently pull. It will gather together. At this point, tie a knot. The hoop back is now complete. If you feel it's not secure enough after gathering, you can use the remaining thread to reinforce it. The diagonal is over here. Bring the needle up from this side through beneath the stitches and pull. Stitch across. Bring the needle beneath the thread, pull tight. This makes it more secure. Won't come apart easily. After stitching the cross, bring the needle up from beneath the thread, tie a knot. If one knot doesn't feel secure, repeat this to tie another knot. To make it more secure, cut off the excess thread. The hoop back is now finished.